Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Delphine here with another worldwide opportunity. Guess what? We are going to talk about Canada. Yes, for those who are looking for opportunity to study in Canada, I have a good news for you. I'm going to share with you 10 universities with very minimum low tuition deposit for international students. Yes, I think you know that in Canada, most of the university you have to pay some money, even up to $200, $2,000, $5,000 to ensure your admission. Okay, so to ensure your full admission, completed admission, sometimes they give you like a unconditional admission. But now, guys, I'm gonna share with you the university with very low tuition fees. Yes, I have 10 on my list. Number one, we have Niagara College. They have admission deposit of $250. Okay, so another university is Brown Valley College. The tuition deposit is 1,500 USD. And next is Northern Right College. Is tuition deposit is 275 admission deposit. Another one is NBCC, which is New Brunswick Community College. This has tuition deposit of $500. Yes, another university is Douglas College. Douglas College, they have confirmation deposit of $350 USD. Okay, so as you can see, it's very minimum. And on my list now we are on number 6. Number 6 on my list we have Seneca College with tuition deposit of $500. Another one is Nova Scotia Community College. Yes, admission fee deposit is 1,000 USD. Number 8 is Centennial College. Admission deposit is $250 USD. And number 9 is Humber Faculty of Business, Humber College. In the Faculty of Business, they have tuition deposit of 1,000. Okay, so guys, now we are going to number 10. So as you can see, it's very cheap compared to other university, because other university they can even charge you up to 1,000, up to 5,000. So it's very cheap. Another university is number 10, which is our last, is St. Clair College. Tuition deposit is 1,000 USD. So guys, I'm gonna share the screen and show you some of those universities and show you those charges that you can see. But guys, I'm encouraging you to apply. If you are looking forward to apply to university in Canada, you can start with this cheapest university with low deposit, because I understand that it's very hard to get higher deposit in Canada and also get your preparation with other fees where you are, visa fees. There are a lot of things going on. So guys, take care. I love you all. Let me share my screen and show you some of those universities. Okay, bye. Guys, before I forget, please share my video with others, because they need to know this. We don't have to keep information by yourself. Sharing is love. Keep sharing my video. If you like my video, that is a very big support to me, because my video gets recognized by YouTube, and then YouTube channel grow. And as we grow together. Keep sharing. Let's keep sharing. Sharing is love. See you soon. Have a great time. Bye. Now let's pass through this university. I'm gonna pass through some of the university. Yes, for example, this is St. Clair College. Let's see the tuition deposit. Yes, let's see the tuition deposit. I will link the link in the description box of this video. So you're gonna find this one in the frequent asked question. So let's see, where is it? Yeah, this is it. It says tuition deposit is $100. As you can see, they say it's $100, and it's for all students, right? So moving on this university, Seneca College. This is Seneca College, and they pay $500 non-refundable tuition deposit. Okay, you're gonna be prepared for this tuition deposit, and it is very, very low compared to other university in Canada. All right, so moving on this university, it says Centennial College. Yes, they have also tuition deposit for, let's see, they say they have deposit of 250. Yes, 250 USD. Let me see. Okay, here they say you may pay 250 deposit by deposit due date. You can see accept the terms of the condition on this deposit agreement. So if you pay this money, they will give you admission to this university. Okay, let's see this other university, Niagara College. As you can see, this is their website. It's in blue and white, and they say tuition deposit is 250 mandatory, non-refundable, non-transferable tuition deposit is required each term for all new and returning domestic students, including those students receiving OSPAP funding of waiting for this DSP. So as you can see, they said it on their website is 250 non-refundable deposits. Let's see this university. This is a very, very good university that you can go to if you are looking for universities in Canada. This NBCC, New Brunswick Community College. If you study to this university, they have program for 1 year program, and you might get this resident permit after graduation. So let's say you are taking 1 year program, and then after 1 year you would apply for your resident permit, which is really cool, and you're gonna be even a citizen anytime soon. So that resident permit will allow you to work without stress in Canada. So as you can see, they say international students, they have confirmation deposit, non-refundable, $500. So yes, gonna be prepared if you are looking forward to apply to this university, because you're gonna pay $100 for admission fee. Also, you're gonna pay $500 for tuition deposit. Guys, again, I'm encouraging you to apply by yourself, because let's say you are paying all this money, and remember you are paying on also maybe agencies which will take you a lot of money. So it's pretty much simple to get admission. It's come to the website and filter the program. Let's say you see the program, part-time program, full-time program. You click here full-time program and start navigating to the program you are looking for. Let's say if you are looking for a program in administration or business administration, you click here, and you're gonna follow the flow how it goes. Okay, yes, you're gonna see area of study, finance, managerial accountant, and so many more. Yes, all these are the course that you can expect. And then after confirming that this is the course that you are going to take, you click here on apply. Before applying, you have to know their fees, tuition fees. They have very minimum tuition fees at this university, because you can pay up to 5,000 USD per semester. You can see this is the international international fees. You can see it's up to 5,000 USD. Only that, guys, for all term. Yes, fall term, and also um winter semester. Yes, this is domestic fee, which is pretty much raw, and this is for international student. Let's say if you are taking maybe 1 year program, you might give like 10,000 USD only to that program. So guys, I'm encouraging you to start your application. Again, take your laptop, where there is enough internet, start your application. You never know, your parent can support you to pay all this money, because, for example, here they ask you to pay $600, which is non-refundable, but it's a risk. But the admission is given here. Yes, you're gonna try if you look forward to apply to Canada. The only program is to get visa. So again, if you are looking forward to go to Canada, you have to prepare your bank statement, your Thai proof of that you show them that you're gonna come back to your country and something like that. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you to this website. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.